her hair, man.
What are you doing? You're gonna shave it anyways.
Facts, bro.
Why aren't you guys cutting your hair?
Because we gonna do yours first.
Bro, the you thought this was?
Right, this is your whole idea, my nigga.
This is your nasty.
Can I help you
cut?
Can I help you cut? Can I help you cut?
Okay.
Alright.
As I was gonna do my intro.
What intro?
Intro, man. Yours is intro? Give me this.
Hey guys, we're going bald today.
Stop acting like your hair was super long.
Yeah.
Like straighten it.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yo, this scissor really is trash. If there's a scissor in the living room, not in the living room. In the don't cut it too close to my scalp. I'm gonna shave it off already. Just cut it short.
Yeah.
Rosie. Let's tap her.
No! Don't do that. Don't do that.
Rosie. Steffi,
No.
you're gonna do it anyway. Why are you acting like you chickening out?
Look at my hair.
How about you, huh?
Hey, come on, don't do this.
Okay. We're gonna cut it at the same
No,
time.
it's you first.
No,
man.
let me too. Together.
Are you ready? No, nigga. Come on, you ready? No. Come on.
No.
Come on.
Okay. It's just hair. It's just hair.
Cut it.
1, 2, 3.
Yes. Keep cutting. Keep cutting.
Some to camera.
Oh, look, she's crying.
I'm not crying yet. Not yet.
There's tears coming out of your eyes, girl.
I already chopped
She
mine out.
been chopping hers. Like, this is a time skip.
Okay,
That's
there's
how
no-
slow
there's
she
no-
is.
You slow.
There's no stopping it. Now we're gonna shave her hair. There's no going back from this.
Why aren't you cutting? There's no going back.
There's no from going back from this, Billy. I'm gonna do it.
God.
Now we were filming this.
No, cause you can look like you chopped something.
It's on my face. I can't change it.
It's
recording.
Okay. We going Tet Kale? No, we're not.
Yes, you're going to
No,
cut.
Tet Kale. Wait, let me come in. Film it.
Oh my God.
Take a picture.
Let me film it. Turn around.
You got it on the wrong side.
No, film the top of your head. Not mine. Don't film my head. Can't
No,
believe
we
it.
stop.
What is we doing?
Seriously, bro.
Let's go to a professional about the. Oh no, sweetie. Oh,
Stop shaking your head. So I don't have to do
I can't.
it. Just do it.
Steffi, come on, do it.
I can't.
I'm already committed. We got lashes, everything. We're gonna look bad. Tet Kale, we.
Yeah, you can.
I can't do it.
You gotta do it. I'll support you, Lynn.
You can do it.
Alright.
No, but you're already bald.
No, I'm not.
Well, close.
So let me look at this. Okay. I can't. It's too short. Cause I can't see myself.
Who's calling?
Okay. I can't do this.
Do it, girl. You should take your glasses off.
No, I don't want to.
Someone wolf some shit on time.
That is. Oh my God! Not be scared because I didn't.
Oh, wait, repeat to me how you convince her?
Because I told her that she could do it and she's the baddest. And
With or without hair?
and
With or without?
yeah, with or without, you still the baddest. And fuck what everybody else thinks.
Whoa, this is weird though.
We could do it. Look at me. Look at me. Yeah. Look at me.
Look at my brother. My brother had the bag look.
Oh, I see the braids. Yeah, same.
Guys, we're gonna get back to you when we actual baddies have these lashes on and we don't look like homeless people.
I like it.
So yeah, we did it, you know what I'm saying? We look like three black, beautiful, powerful
But
bitches.
tomorrow we're gonna get
Raised because it's like a
we wanted skin
It's a
bald.
little-
It's a little patchy right now.
It's a little.
And we wanted skin bald. So thanks for watching.
What, y'all?